welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash, and today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing, and I have 2 boxes to share with you, possibly 3. I should probably share the 3rd one. So the first box I'm going to share actually got sent last month, and I haven't had a chance to use the product, so I haven't shared it, and I wasn't sure if I should share it yet because one of the products is new, but now the product was announced, so I can share it. Boxycharm had a box with Half Magic Beauty, which was super exciting because I have never tried Half Magic Beauty. Still haven't at the time of filming this. But I was sent 6 products. One was a brand new product that was just announced, and it's their new eyeliner. But real quick, I got the gems and then the tweezers. These are supposed to be self-adhesive ones. You don't technically need glue with them, so that's exciting. And I got one of the cloud paints. Mouth Cloud, not Cloud Paint. That is a different brand. The Mouth Cloud in Magic Brownie. So that is a lip product. Then I got an eye product, which is the Chroma Addiction Eye Paint and Liner. And that is what the color looks like. For some reason I thought it was going to be green. Kind of disappointed that it's not green, but it is what it is. And I got one of the glitter pills. This is a glitter eye paint and liner. Super, super pretty. I cannot wait to use this. It looks like it's going to be very fun to use. And there is the Light Trap Duochrome. Is it Duochrome? Light Trap Enter the Glow. I don't know what these things are called. But this is what it looks like. It's very cute packaging. I quite like this. And I can't wait to use it. Again, haven't tried any of this yet. And probably one of the most exciting things is this new Eye Flick. A Magic Flick Liquid Eyeliner. I don't know if anybody is following the brand that follows me, but it's very, very interesting because this is the tip. Like, I've never seen an eyeliner like this before. I'm super, super intrigued to try it, and I can't wait to try it. Probably gonna be showing it on my TikTok first because that's just how I roll, but yeah. Also, this makeup is on TikTok and Instagram already because I am behind on filming my Halloween content, so I'm filming what I can at once. But yeah, that was the Half Magic Beauty box, so let's jump right into October's boxes because I have the standard box and then they collab with Tarte to have a box. So this is the box this month. It's a little thicker and I have no idea what the theme is. So here is the card for this month. Everyone will be under your spell, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. Okay, so first product is the Ciate London Spice Palette. I have had Ciate London before in the other boxes, and Ciate London has reached out to me and they sent me a couple products. So again, that's been exciting. Ooh, it's a very nice, oh, this is going to be a very nice fall palette. That is a very pretty color story. I really like how the shimmers look. Ooh, yes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to do a look with this month, hopefully. Oh my god, I have so much stuff planned for Halloween. But this palette retails for $39. Next is an eye cream by Fleur & B, Eyes Baby. This retails for $26, and it's an anti-aging firming eye cream, which is something I should probably start using because I am getting old, but I don't know if it's a product that I'm going to open and use. I will honestly probably put it away into a giveaway pile because I am planning a giveaway when I hit 10K on TikTok. Still a very long ways away, but maybe by the end of the month. Maybe. So next is the Dew of the Gods Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Primer. This retails for $32 and it's a base for your makeup. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know if it's cruelty free. It says warning, this product is not edible, so we shall see if I try this out. Next thing is the Playa, P-L-A-Y-A. Oh my god, am I gonna say this right? Monoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner. This retails for $24, and it says it's an ultra light yet deep conditioning treatment. Formulated for chemically treated, dry, frizzy, or environmentally damaged hair, which is all of my hair. Coconut milk, blah blah blah. Use on wet and dry hair, and that seems very exciting. I do love a good leave-in conditioner, so I will definitely be trying this out. And the last thing in the box is the Très Luce. Oh my god, I don't know how to say that. Très Luce? I apologize if I am butchering that completely. It's the Lucette highlighter palette. It's just a standard highlighter palette. Looks like this might be the only shade I can use. It's pretty light. Has a nice shine to it. So I will definitely give this a shot. And that completes this box. I will pop up how much this actually all cost right here. Alright, and then last box is going to be the Tarte box. So let's just jump right into it. To be honest, I don't really shop from Tarte much anymore. They have that new, I think it's called the Man-Eater After Dark palette, which looks absolutely beautiful with all those deep colors. But I've talked myself out of it for the last 2 months. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in here. And there's a code here for 15% off and free shipping if you use the code BOXY15 at Tarte.com. TarteCosmetics.com. Alright, so we have a palette. I've never really had trouble with Tarte eyeshadows before. They just come out with the same stuff over and over again, so it's not exciting. And it's just a standard neutral palette. It is pretty. A lot of these shades are super light. It doesn't get too deep. That was that palette. And it was actually called the Sunrise palette. I don't know if Tarte actually has this palette or if it's a Boxycharm exclusive. I have a mascara, lights, camera, lashes. I always say this mascara wrong. This is an okay one. It's not my favorite. It's definitely not the favorite one from Tarte that I've ever tried, but it is one of their most popular. It's been a while since I used it though, so maybe I'll hold on to it and give it a try when I'm done with my current mascara. Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. This is in the shade Rose. I've never tried this before. Usually like these like lippy sticks sort of things have like a twist out. This is a button that you press. Don't know how I feel about that. Then we have the Double Take Awake eyeliner pencil. This is, I believe, a nude one. Oh, and it's a double-sided one. So it has a nude side that you put in your waterline to kind of like fake having a brighter eye. And then that is a very fine tip. Ooh, I'm intrigued. And then we have this. It's Awake by Tarte. It is an illuminator. It's the Sunshine Stick. Looks like that. Feels kind of cool. But I don't know if it's supposed to be cooling. Is the camera gonna pick that up? A little bit. It has a little bit of a shine. I think you're supposed to wear this under makeup. It says apply to the under eyes in the morning for an AM wake up and throughout the day to refresh. Wear alone for a boost of radiance or layer under or over makeup for a soft luminous glow on the cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow, and bridge of the nose. I'll have to see how it feels on my actual face skin because I don't know how I feel about it on my hand skin. And this is the Tarte Drink of H2O. It's from their Tarte C collection. I would say out of all of Tarte's lines, I've liked the C line the best, even though it makes absolutely no sense because they do the C and then the Amazonian clay, and it's like, but they have neutrals. Whatever. I've tried their skincare before, some of it. I haven't tried their, I think it's the Sugar Rush line. Never really cared to try that one, but I've tried a couple, especially from the C line. Yeah, I don't even know how to talk about this. I've tried some of Tarte's skincare before. I've liked some of it hurt my skin, and I've been afraid to try it again, but you know, I'm always looking for a good moisturizer, something that's really good for my dry skin, especially going into, you know, winter. It's gonna be freezing soon, and snow, and cold, and snow, and ice, but you know, I'm excited for this. But yeah, that completes all the boxes I had to unbox. Thank you again to Boxycharm for sending these over to me. I still am very appreciative of being an ambassador, partnered, whatever you want to call it, with you guys, Boxycharm, if they even watch my stuff, which I don't think they do. But I will be getting back to more videos eventually. I just have a lot going on since I told myself I was doing 31 days of Halloween finally, and it looks like I'm on track to actually do 31 looks. I'm just a little behind right now, but we'll see. We'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. If you want to see more content from me, you can follow me over on TikTok and Instagram. That is where I am posting the most. And yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video, whenever that shall be. Bye! Put yourself first.